certain point yung the other night, dadalhin siya sa correctional institution. Kung natuloy nalagay siya, saan siya magtakbo? Hindi magagalaw itong Supreme Court kasi separation of powers. Lalo na Malacanang kasi kabalos-los bata niya. So itong tao walang natakbuhan. Yan ang sinabi ko. There is a fractured governance. Nabali lang, hindi lang na-sprain. There is a fractured in the governance sa ating Pilipinas ngayon. Walang makakorek niyan. Nobody can correct Marcos. Nobody can correct Romualdez. Nobody can. It's a long process mapapil sa Supreme Court unless you sila ka ng kaso doon. Matagalan yan. Next year pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance, there is no urgent remedy. So, it is only the military to say. Kaya ang sabihin ko, Presidente ako, nakita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin ang Presidente na in face of so many errors there, nagtupak-tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng breakage, fracture the government. It is only the military can correct it.
Are you saying a military junta can answer?
No. Sinabi ko sa lahat yan, magtanong ka na ko dalawa na ang official yan. Sinabi na magpunta ko. Sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, to answer your question, ibig kong sabihin ang military, well, it's an option sa military. One, they just can sit there sa upuan nila, doon sa bukid, maglinis ng baril. Sabi lang sila na we are not anymore hindi na sila kubita yung magpunta yung tangki digira noon. Sabihin lang nila na ayaw na namin yung laro ninyo. Out kami dyan. Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out, Mayor?
Getting out means
Getting out?
I don't know. Basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan ano. Basta sabi ng military. You are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water, but in the coming days, wala ang kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasalin sa iyo.
Silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest. Military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest, Mayor. Will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. They will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. That's it.
Hindi, siya, sabihin na nga niya, Sir, huwag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo na yung pera. Kinuha ninyo sa GSIS. PhilHealth, 89.
Ito doon sa ako survey?
Pinagbili nila, saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin sold amounting to 129 billion. at least sa Congress kung may resolution, tapos i-bill that would correspond with it, there's an explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila na nakaalam nito. Yung Maharlika, sila na nakaalam nito. Walang participation ng people dyan pati ito. So, saan itong 25 tons? Alam ba ng military yan? Pwede sabihin nila, kung wala hindi na kami sasali ng laruan.
Pero Mayor, parang play safe naman ang
How do
military
you
na
describe
yun.
the military
Do you think si Brown po ay mag-react ito?
State your, can you restate your statement?
Can you expect that Brown will
When ito pag nilabas din ito, your question must also correspondingly appear. Importante yan. So, guard.
Oh, kasi may statement siya, dapat parang stay put lang yung military. Wala naman siyang sinabi. No? In fact, si Inday na nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung chief of staff. Ano daw makakatulog yung AFP chief of staff?
10 million yung nawawalan sa
Matagal na siya natulog. Alam niya yung commander-in-chief niya nagtutuluga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang hindi. Ang mga pulis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdamio nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung sipo ni mag-usap kami, yung sipo ni Lagdamio magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagtulo yung sipo niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na siya Lagdamio durugista. Alam ni Lagdamio na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam niyo kung wala, pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command, puro military man. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana we cannot get it correct and accurate or true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would give
The right
up on
to be
his
heard.
dream na yun?
The right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan. Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Maraming sabi, ganun, tantong. Hysterical yun, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa isang tanong, Mr. Military, give us a right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
It is short of challenging Browner na. It is short of challenging Browner na to act on it.
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have to challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself.
Kung na-
The whole of the military kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the president who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, address sabihin ko, huwag tayo magbulahan. Alam ninyo yan noon, alam ninyo ngayon yan. Sabihin lang ninyo, kaya kung gano'n na lang, sabihin ko sa lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pilipinas, guys, follow the president. Start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Eh, so yan, ang presidente, gano'n. The best example is gano'n.
But people are looking up to you as a patriot and nationalist. Ikaw yung
And then
hinihintay.
people looking at me because the president is silent. Kita mo ulit siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman tumahan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulika.
Sulaika. Sulaika.
Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan. Sigma Rowan. So marami yan siyang dyan.
But people are saying, pag huling mo si Tatay Digong, alsa ng tanan. So how do you react to all this?
Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go all good. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
It's been sorry. But
Kasi kung ang damo na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa,
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na they will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating records. We will ask. Tapos gano'n. I will follow.
as the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may mga ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not
No nothing.
just
No nothing.
You're just airing out as a citizen.
Mayor,
I
do you think
mean,
to enjoin them to opt out?
what?
To opt out from supporting what you said Rosado is the president. Are you not going to enjoin them to opt out?
Civilian ako. I have no authority to order.
No, not order, but just to enjoin them or
And I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Just about 4 years. Ayaw magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, Davao, oh. Sabi na itong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanongin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag. So may isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard, nagsuicide, minumurak, you can tap the finger dan saya. Masyadong tulog, tuti na yan. Ano kung ako yun, isin mo na ko, mga tulog. Tabi ka lang. Urahin mo, kaya po napahiya ka. Sundalo, pagkamatay. Oh, nabaril sa argument yun. Ito na argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the colonel.
Mayor, yung PSG
Was with-
Mayor, what happened pala sa PSG na transmission?
Colonel, hindi mo suicide yun.
Yung PSG
Yung PC suicide. Minura niya.
ni
Ni Mrs. Marcos.
Kailan yan may
Bago lang.
Sino na taga-mura? Babae o lalaki?
2 months pa lang ako umalis.
Mayor,
Mayor, may ano dito pa-ask daw, paano mag-react si Browner? Kasi ang sister daw ni Browner ay na-appoint ng Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Mayor, going back, what
Ano mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at the... Kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya, he would insist na matino or na matay magawa. That is his view. Now, for the others,
Mayor, from this happenings to as a former president, how will you help your people from these sufferings?
again, no?
As a former president, how will you help your people or from these sufferings?
Suffering. Ma'am, sinasabi ko na nga, there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied. There is no relief inside. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know.
How if,
Sila man yung protector ng Constitution.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
They let us approach the military. We approach the military for doing nothing.
do you think, Mayor, ako sila?
Well, we clap our hands and say that the military is support. Yes, sinabi mo.
Hindi ko ba sila nabusalan?
Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
What is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, oh.
What is the worst manifestation or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this government?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like...
The silent martial law.
Martial law is military takeover. Mayroon akong i-suggest. itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas sa Congress, ang balos-los, sabi ang Presidente, they're not trying to be in talks. They would attempt to change the Constitution. Diyan na magulo di ka ganyan. And to make Martin from Speaker mag-transition to si Martin mag-transition to Speaker to the parliamentary prime minister. And there is the ceremonial president na lang si
Sir, what's your reaction for the possibility of no L next year? No election. Possibility.
It can be possible. Wala sa yung cards wala sa Filipino. It's in the card. The cards is being held by Martin Romualdez and Susan.
Mayor, drugs na issue. Na kuan po ni PNP Chief Martin na nagpagawa siya statement before na ang mga drug users daw kaya dili addict. Usa po yung na to nagagamit lang ba para mag-overtime or extend na nila ang oras sa pagpanarbaho from the PNP Chief mismo.
Ang
Mga nagagamit daw of drugs kay dili daw addict. Nagagamit lang daw sila, labi na daw sa mga trabahante para lang nag-extend na nila ang oras sa pagpanarbaho.
maganda yan. Maganda yan. So,
Why?
what is an addict? What is not an addict? An addict who uses Cebu and continues to hit, inom. But the other kind of addict is trabaho, hit, para hindi makatulog, hit. Tapos at the end of the day, siya ang kakainin na makinarya niya. Kasi sabog na siya. Siya na yung papasok doon sa oil mill.
But Mayor, would it help if one person there, like si Martin Romualdez, would give up on his dream on becoming president in 2028?
Wala na,
Wala nang pag-asa.
wala nang ano, ngayon, meron akong suggestion sa military. Pero, hindi ko muna bitawan dito. After I shall have talked to the military, mapunta man ako ng Manila, I'll be frank with them, tinatag ko yung baraha, pareho rin dito, pero much more, dalhin ko yung mga tao na ganito ang nangyari sa pera natin. Pati itong gold reserve natin. Ilan na ba ang dollar piso na?
59.
So may plano kayo ngayon na puntahan ang
55 tons.
magpunta ng Camp Aguinaldo? Meron kayo plano? Na-schedule?
Ako? Hindi.
Yung sabi mo kausapin mo.
Diba? Hindi doon. Pero hindi rin tabo. Yung freewheeling discussion. Para sabihin nila nagplano ka ng pudita. Ayaw ko yan. Kasi naging presidente nga ako.
But you are optimistic na the military will talk or
Ayaw ko rin kung yung gusto lang. Yung kita ko na to share my thing. Kasi ako hindi naman nag-agitate talaga na possible remission.
Pero wala pang schedule kayo.
Well, ako, wait na. Hindi mo kailangan ko.
Will you have an appointment with General Brogan about this? Talk man-to-man about this issue sa kanya?
General
Brogan.
It's useless. It's useless. He cannot talk for himself.
So ibang general, sir,
Hindi rin. Dito ako sa baba. Might as well talk to the Lieutenant Colonels,
The ground commanders,
Lieutenant Colonels, and Major, and
the ground commanders, you mean.
What if they do a loyalty check, Mayor?
Takot lang. Yung sa mga mababang posisyon, marami na nagpapahiwatig nila. Pero takot lang sila because chain of command.
you know, to the military. Of course, there is the military discipline. But if you can talk, if it is really to the interest of the country, why should you not?
Can they resort to loyalty check, Mayor?
Again?
They, among themselves, they're going to do loyalty check. The military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for
It's
the
among
military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Ano yung protector of the Constitution? That's a very... What does it mean to them? And what does it mean to tayong mga tao?
Hindi ba mahirap on your part, Mayor? Like, nung panahon ni, ng diktador noon, madali kasi everybody was in Manila. Right now, the Dutertes are based in Davao. Hindi ba mahirap to mobilize or
Hindi na sila maniwala. Ako may pera ako. But why would I waste my money going there? Wala naman akong kita. Ang ginagamit kong pagkain ngayon, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80.
Uy,
Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medisina pati lifestyle mo?
ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Iyo,
Given your fracture, but you are
Anak ko
fighting
na
the whole. What is the
Antod ka ron?
Gusto ba na nilagay na? Given the fracture, but you are still part of the whole. What is the issue?
ayaw. Just a little statement. Bahala ako.
What do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials and officers? Sinasabi. What do you expect from them after the meeting? After meeting them?
Military?
Yes, please.
Wala ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila na they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict. Na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi. Alam nila yan. And they can always check it out to the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kailangan trabaho yan eh. Protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if you protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo. Yun ang masunod.
Will you ask the military that question, Mayor?
Again,
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? The protector, are you going to ask them that?
sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking.
Okay.
I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importanteng information saan na naman ang pera namin. So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong, the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito, PhilHealth, contribution namin ito sa individual eh. Kayo, walang sa PhilHealth. Tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan?
Yakap mo sa Yuda, uy.
Ayuda!
Hindi mo ito mga tao nakataon.
Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi ilapuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation.
Enjoy sa
And that I will tell ang sundalo, sabihin ko sa kanya, that is malversation.
Do you demand PhilHealth na mag-explain dito? Yung PhilHealth, do you demand na mag-explain dito sa public?
Yes, yes.
Nainano siya may...
Mag-explain ako sa public.
And then,
Bubulahin, yun yan.
Hey, what's your...
Kayo nag-comfort kayo kay VP Inday after nung Thursday na
Wala ka ganyan. Ikaw sa babala niya. Kung maldiwitan niya, doon na.
Hey, what's your reaction sa sinabi ng administration na hindi daw kayo isasubmit sa ICC, but if you are willing daw, makikipag-coordinate daw sila?
I heard Mr. Marcos say that if he wants to submit himself to the ICC, he cannot do anything. Mr. Marcos, Presidente ka man. Look at it, wala akong problema. Insignificant yan ako dyan. But if you are going to recognize ICC, you're eroding the sovereignty. Mas mabuti pa, wag ko lang idamay yung bayan. Back up na lang ako, tapos kung may pretend na taga-ICC, bigyan ako ticket. Doon ako sa korte nila, mag-exhibition ako.
I'm doing my exhibition.
Sabihin ko man lang sa ICC, sino ang taong pinatay ko, pinakauna? Anong pangalan? Saan? Anong ginamit ko? At anong rason? Tapos, sinong pangalan ng tao na pinatay ko last bago umalit ako pagka-presidente? Saan? Bakit? At anong ginamit ko?
So you're willing to face the ICC?
Ay, at yung pinakagitna na sabi mong pinatay ko, kailan ang birthday noon?
Anong masagot ngayon?
Sila pulapot sa Magellan yung pinatay mo.
Pero Mayor, isang question po, it's because of your admission daw during the Quadcom hearing. Sabi nila may task force na daw na ginuo ang DOJ to investigate.
Sir, but I said that I ordered the killings?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Tinanong mo sana sino, saan, paano, at anong araw. Kasi yung kamatayan tayo, kada patay niyan, tatanong kita kung ano ang nangyari.
Thousands yun.
Para, preparar ka ng, hindi kayo pwede mag-live.
But on the investigation daw na binubuo ng DOJ?
Ang investigations, nandoon ka sa polis. Huwag ka nang kumuha ka. Ang polis man tiga-investigar. O, doon mo malaman.
Did you bite the hook ba during the
Wala naman doon na extrajudicial killing, care of Rudy Duterte. Trillanes, huwag mo na lang, ako gusto kong patulan. Pero, alam mo talaga, hopelessly bubok. Wala ka rin makuha eh. No use to engage a person na dreamer.
What they are saying, you did a lot of biting. Personally, did you bite the hook while they were fishing?
Ano?
They're saying that you've admitted a lot, and you were saying that they are into fishing expedition. Have you remembered a moment na you bite the hook of the Congress?
Kayo, nakikinig man kayo.
Ikaw.
Wala nga, nakikinig man kayo. Was there, did I take the book? Big?
Yeah.
Yes, Mayor.
Saan?
When you said that you ordered the food,
Oh,
and also when you said that there was a
the killing of what? Chickens ang sinabi ko doon.
Ala ka, ikaw nagpatay sa ating ba?
Look, because they were stupid persons asked me questions. I was answering them stupid answers. What did you admit? Yes, I admit what? Because they would like to hear anong gusto nilang what would like to hear. So binigay ko siya na, yes, may feeling. 7,000. Pagdating mo, so what about the statement? Good luck. If you ask a silly question, you get a silly answer. If you are an ignoramus, you get an ignorant. I said, 1,000 chickens. Marami siya pinatay.
Ngayon, on the lighter note, anong feeling nakatabi kayo ni Lima?
Wala, hindi ko talaga, tagal ko na-realize. Hindi kasi ganun siya palagi. Hindi talaga nag- There was never a time that nagganon siya. Tingnan mo kamera.
Pero nung almost mo ibinato yung mic, ano siya, concern siya sa'yo?
Kaya ano nga. Kasi yung mic nakatali pala. Binunod ko ng ganon. Ito sana, kaya walang ano. Yung microphone pa, pag ganon ko. Tali.
Mayor, nasaktan daw po si Lima sinabihan yung wak-wak.
Ano ang sinabi niya, Noy?
Sige,
Ang sinabi ko?
wak na gising.
Doon siya, no? Okay daw.
Mayor, ano po ang reaction natin tungkol sa sagot ni President BBM na sa pagtatangka ni VP Sara? Sabi ni BBM, yung ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalampas. Any reaction?
Huwag niya palampasin. Anong kaya niya? Ano niya yung gusto niya? Wala ka dyan kayo. Kita mo hindi ako sumasagot kay Priyan. Ano ako siya nang magsabi? Hindi ako kay Mayor. Sugutin niya. Hindi ako kay Mayor. Saan yung lahat sa baba niya? Sa Manila, kasi Lorenzana. Hindi ko patulang.
Ngayon, nakikita mo yung sa mga social media ng mga reaksyon ng mga tao at ang balita ay sa government, yung mga reaction nila is bahak-hak, yung mga emojis na bahak-hak. Saka solid Duterte pa rin. Marami Duterte pa rin. Pinalik ang Duterte. How do you feel about it?
Wala na yan. Kasi I'm out. I'm finished. I am finished. I'm retired.
Nag-usap pa kayo uli ni ni Buddy Trump mo?
May plano akong tatawag.
Okay.
Tatawag, anong sasabihin mo, Mayor?
Sabihin ko, Trump, kayo mo pa.